Hey guys, so let's say you're a beginner, maybe a bit more advanced and intermediate, and you're playing basic chords and you're bored with your basic chords and you want to add some life, make your basic chords much better. So I'm gonna show you some alternatives that you can use. Let's say you're in the key of C and you're playing the progression the 6, the A minor, the 4, the F, the 2, the D minor. Right? You probably would be playing some chords like this, right? So I'm going to show you some alternatives. 6, we could voice it this way. So in the left hand we have these 3 notes. The right hand has this. Together we have that. You could also voice it this way. So the right hand has this. The left hand has the same 3 notes, right? You could also voice it this way. If you want to be a bit more crazy, you can play this, right? So the right hand has this, sliding from the D to the E. The left hand has this. Right? So we have this, so we could also play a slide up here, the right hand. You could also do, this is very popular, so we have this in the left hand and we're playing the C inversion, then we play this. So we're sliding from the A to the B flat to the B, right? That's over the 6. You could also, instead of sliding up, you could slide down. That's over the 6. You could also play. So the 4 over the 6, you could play this chord. So the left hand has these 2 notes. The right hand has this. You could choose to do this if you want. That's over the 6. Also, you could play. This is a 6 chord as well. This is like if you want to play a 6, 7, 1. You might have heard. So it's this chord, right? So we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. All right, so let's move on to the 4. So what can we do over the 4? We can play. So we can play this for the 4. So left hand has this. The right hand has this. I could also play this. So without the bass, it might sound a bit weird. Might sound like a 6 without the bass, but if you add the bass, you get this. So if you want to add the bass, you could add the F. So this chord in the left hand, and you have this in the right hand. That's 4, right? You could also play. So we have this left hand. So we have this right hand, C. And you will notice that a lot of the chords that you use on the 4 can also work for the minor too, which is the D minor. So this chord can work for the D minor. You can add the E if you want. Right, so we have also this. So you can play this. So you can choose if you want to just have the left hand playing one note and the right hand play these, or you want the left hand play this and the right hand play this, or you want to do that. Whichever way you choose. Right, on the 2. So that was just basically a passing chord to get you to the 2. So it's that, right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, right? I don't want to go back to the 6, but let's say we want to play a passing chord to get back to the 6. We could play, right? So we have this. The right hand has that, right? The left hand has that, and that's the 3, the E, right? You could also play everyone's favorite, the tritone, right? You could also do this with the tritone, right? You could do that. So this chord, you carry it down, you bring it down 2 semitones. That's 1 semitone. That's 2. I'm gonna go back to here. Or you want to, right? So you choose. Alright, so guys, that's basically it. So until next time, keep on learning.